Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to turn on Secure Boot Windows 11. First of all, tap on the Windows search bar and search System Information app here. Once you get into Systems Information, search Secure Boot and tap on Find Next. After that, get back to the desktop and tap the Windows search bar. Then search here Recovery Options. After that, tap on System Settings Recovery option. From here, you can see the Advanced Startup and click the Restart Now button from here. Now, to enable Secure Boot, the first thing you need to do is contact your support person for help. Then enable Secure Boot from the PC BIOS menu. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.